Heart transplantation is a critical medical procedure whereby a diseased heart is replaced with a healthy one. India has emerged as a hub for heart transplantation surgery, and the country's top heart transplant surgeons are highly skilled. These skilled surgeons are highly experienced in heart transplantation and have a success rate of over 90% in most cases. Patients from all around the world come to India to avail of these services and receive world-class healthcare within their budget. These surgeons have vast experience and expertise in handling both adult as well as pediatric cases. Their advanced training, skill set, and use of top-notch infrastructure make them the best in the field. Additionally, these experienced surgeons have a lot to contribute to the care of their patients, given the complex nature of heart transplant operations. Overall, India is a one-stop destination for heart transplant surgery, and the country's top hospitals continue to shine in providing world-class care to the patients. Please consult with us and our medical team will assist you with all the information.